And you've got what kind of motion now? Can you show us what your knee moves like right now?
Yeah, I guess if you, let's see, walk a little here.
So you're not
Can you
using
lift
cane or
up your,
crutches or anything?
No, not at all. In
Can you
fact, I'm doing, I can do these two and
Yeah.
the exercises. we
Slide your
do.
pant leg up, Cliff, your
Yes,
And then
I
just-
wanna show you.
Yeah, I wanna see the bending too.
The last two came off yesterday, the steri strips.
Okay.
Wow. So that's 3 weeks,
3 weeks yesterday,
and I'm gonna have you slide your heel all the way back.
And when they do that, I have a little area where there's pain, but then the more you push it a little more, the pain goes away.
Yeah, that's great.
What are they telling you you're getting for number, do they say?
129 yesterday, but he was pushing it.
129. That's very good.
Yeah. Surgery, so it was bearable. Didn't need any of the Oxycontin, didn't have to take any of that.
None of it, not one,
Nope.
not one. Wow, that's awesome.
And it just, the Aleve did it, and the Tylenol, it was
So
No.
overall, pretty good experience for you.
no, it was a great experience. It was not pretty good, it was unbelievable. You guys just did such a good job. And the confidence you guys express is important because, it's nervous if you're gonna have this stuff done. You're worried. I never had a problem with you, and I'll share with you, there's some doctors I don't keep. I just say, you know what? There's too much, you might be good, but everybody's dropping the ball around you. And I don't like that. I'm a no baloney guy, and you guys just did a outstanding job.
What you said.
This is what we try to emphasize is it's a big team. And it's in having that teamwork, having everybody work together, I think makes just a huge difference, and that's really what we're all
And
about.
it's leadership, and again, the team is, don't change a thing.